You can't beat me. Ah!
You missed your own damn head.
I'm bored. Hello.
About to get freaking soaked Thanksgiving style.
Well, I'm gonna remain dry because I win.
This time I'm actually competing?
So yeah, last time Courtney faced Courtney freaking Miller. You won somehow, even though everything I told was a lie. There was nothing that was true. But this time you will face me, Shayne.
We got Bose and Damien.
Hello, we are your polite cousins from Smosh games.
I was gonna ask you to touch my leg again, and you read my mind.
Yeah, you know, it's November, which means it's family time. So we thought we'd bring our family,
Your weird cousins.
our Smosh Games
your
family.
mom.
We're like the ones that are like, do you want to go in the backyard and play with salt?
You wanna
And you
play
guys are
with
like, I don't know
again?
what that. And your parents are like, just be nice. And
Go play.
You know the rules, 2 truths, 1 lie. The other person guesses which one's the lie. If they guess it right, they get to spray the other person with water. If they get it wrong, they get sprayed with water.
Here we go. One time.
that is a pretty good one.
That's crazy.
Okay. One time my dad accidentally ran me over with my uncle's dirt bike. One time my mom thought my sister had the devil in her, but she was really just having an anxiety attack. And then one time my dad made me eat a burger out of the trash.
Don't show me your freaking.
I doesn't say which is which.
Right
They're all
answer,
there.
Peach. You know
This
which
is the
one-
truth. This is the thing. All of those could absolutely be true. From what I know about your mom, that sounds 100% the truth. Your dad's a very sporty dude. I could see him riding a dirt bike. Maybe he ran over your foot at some point. But the trash one seems crazier, which is why I'm gonna say that one's true and that the dirt bike is fake.
You sure?
Dirt bike. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
You're correct.
Whoa! That's my boy Shayne!
That was pretty good. I thought you were gonna pick the burger, and I was like ready to win. All right,
That's
all right.
awesome.
I'm gonna tighten up, dude.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
I just started burning.
Yeah!
What the hell is this?
Bleach, baby!
That's not allowed.
It's a.
All right, read your dumb lies.
I've never been on a blind date. The last time I weighed myself, I weighed 162 pounds. While in Japan, I met a girl who I've been in contact with since.
Okay. What was the first one?
I've never been on a blind date.
Oh, I feel like you told a story once that you were. I'm so indecisive. This isn't fun. I feel like the blind date's a lie. Yeah, that's my answer. No, please don't bless me. Oh, it's a gun. Okay.
Damien, did I meet a girl while we were in Japan?
Hell no!
All
We
right.
actually have 2 fans.
Don't do it.
Oh my god! Oh god!
What?
But now you can pee and none of us will know except for
I was doing you a favor.
My family spent many days.
Sorry, thinking about how funny that was.
My brother once smashed my head into a window pane.
You tell such insane stories about your family that I'm like, yeah, any of them could be true.
My family spent many days riding beach chairs taped to skateboards.
What?
Beach chairs taped to skateboards.
It's so that all of them can fit on it.
Do you guys have like a
we spent days
TV
riding
or
them.
something? Like, you know there's other forms of entertainment.
not when you
Nope,
have
just
6
Mormon.
siblings.
I was once knocked out by a sack of tar.
A sack of tar. Like actually knocked out. Like you came to consciousness later. I'm gonna go with the window pane because it's the most normal out of all of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You.
Yes!
I hate
Yes!
you so much.
Hashtag
Protect my beans.
Less of this. Less of that.
Oh.
Less of that.
But at least it's filtered.
This one's like fan stuff, like stuff I'm a fan of.
Okay.
All right. My favorite superhero is Miss Marvel.
Uh-huh.
My favorite anime character is named Dash the Typhoon.
Okay.
My favorite Cartoon Network character is Johnny Bravo.
Typhoon's a lie.
It's Vash the Stampede.
Yep. And it's a terrible anime. That's right, I said it.
I enjoy it. I enjoy that character.
Turn
I that
you.
character very much.
Courtney, get him right in the ear. Right in the ear. Yeah, relish in this. Make him wait for it.
Son of a bitch.
3, 2, 1.
God, I hate you. I hate you so much.
This is my favorite part.
I definitely deserve this, but I hate you.
La 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 la.
God.
Oh my god, Courtney's those crazy people in horror movies that taunt you before you die.
This is the final round. Courtney still has a chance to tie it up, yeah? But either way, whoever loses is getting drenched by us. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot y'all.
I still buy songs on iTunes. I used to go to a fair every Christmas with my family that reenacted Jerusalem, the night of Jesus' birth.
That's not even that. That's actually not that crazy.
And the third one is I went to a co-ed church camp for 4 years in a row. Summer camp.
What was the last one?
Summer camp, church co-ed summer camp.
Church co-ed summer camp.
Yeah.
During the summer?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the iTunes one.
That's a lie?
Yeah. It was the summer camp.
I knew that was true.
Yeah, it was a girls' camp and it was 2 years.
Yeah.
God!
What the heck was it not? I think you know this. That until the age of 8, I thought girls had penises. I just had no clue. Bose performed a ritual in my home to eliminate the bad energy in it.
Okay.
I have a secret Twitter account called Kathy Bates Trivia Facts. That I haven't told anyone about.
Was Kathy Bates trivia taken?
I did. I wanted it to be Trivia Facts.
What's that word?
Schadenfreude. What?
No.
I said liar.
Liar.
Okay, Bose saged your apartment. I know that. Twitter account is the lie.
The Twitter account is a lie.
The lie.
You don't think I would make
The
a Twitter account called
Kathy Bates Trivia. I don't think you have the time, Shayne. You're always reading books.
Nerd.
Reading books means I have the time. Well,
No.
yeah.
I was 3-3!
I knew it!
You can't beat me. Ah!
You missed your own damn head.
Shoot the rose.
You're so brave, son. Okay, just like look up like a little bit. God. Ew! Don't do that! Do it. It's just gonna finish your shirt. Thank you.
Y'all
Best
get
ready.
cause
It's
happening.
tie
Breaker!
time.
Yes, that's right. In this tiebreaker round, the both of them will both make one statement while holding their guns akimbo.
If someone gets it wrong, they're just gonna hit them. So they could both fire, it could be one or the other, but whatever happens, we're gonna double down and also fire along with them.
Miley Cyrus once mistook me for her friend at a party.
I think yours is true. I sold lanyards at my elementary school for 4 months.
4 months?
Not every day.
She never did learn her shapes. They made her do that every day.
I'll just go with false.
3, 2, 1.
Never met Miley Cyrus. I've never been in the same room as her. I've never even been in the same state, for all I know.
That's very wet. That's the wettest anyone's ever been for this show. Good Lord.
Ooh-wee.
What was the lie about it?
I got busted on the first date.
Wait, you were selling lanyards and they were contraband? How?
I was making money on school property. 5?
Where were we getting the lanyards?
My friend made them.
Oh, so you were basically Etsy, the kid.
This has been an episode
Of a video.
this show on
Yeah.
YouTube. I'm guessing you're gonna continue to stay on YouTube after this video. You know what I recommend? Other Smosh content.
Yeah, that's
Just
a good
keep on
idea.
going. Go to Smosh Games, watch some craziness there.
Or
Smosh Games, come say hey.
post in the comments if you want them to do one of these. Hit that bell, boys.
Yeah, hit that bell.
Toodaloo, have a happy
Bye.
family time. Thanksgiving or not Thanksgiving,
Have a family
whatever.
time. Bye.
Bye.